Alright, y'all, I'm making me some, well, first of all, blessings, blessings, blessings on blessings. Yesterday, after I had got stranded in my car, to glory be to God that He got me back home safely. Yesterday I made some catfish nuggets and some zucchini fries and potato fries. And those zucchini fries were so good, I decided to make some more. Hope y'all having a wonderful, blessed day. Y'all, this is the zucchini fry. I made those with that catfish nugget yesterday. And Lord have mercy, you know what the thing is? When I bit into the zucchini fries, I thought I was eating a fried green tomato. Tasted so good. So I thought I would start back up this morning and have me some more zucchini fries. Let's get some more in. Ooh, this hot heat. Grease. Alright, I'm coming, Grease. I'm coming. You know, it's actually kind of weird because I love some zucchini fries. I love some french fries. Actually, I think the zucchini fries took over the french fries. Like the flavors, like I said, it tastes like a fried green tomato, honey. Just put them in some cornmeal, seasoned cornmeal. Put your favorite seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder. Now, if you want to cheat, and I don't recommend it, you can use the same fish fry in the blue bag that you would, use to fry up your fish. But I say cook them fresh. Light cornmeal, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of seasoning salt of your choice. But if you must cheat, once again, just put you some fish fry seasoning. Like what I did, it was just took me some regular cornmeal. That's all that is, cornmeal. And then I put in my favorite seasonings. But if you got to cheat, put you in some fish fry seasoning. That fish fry seasoning mix already has salt. Sometimes it has too much salt. Hold on, y'all. Y'all give me 1 minute. Let me get my cornmeal put up. You see that that fish fry seasoning mix is good to fry your fish and stuff, but it does have a lot of salt, a lot of sodium. So when you use good old-fashioned cornmeal, and get the light cornmeal and get the light self-rising cornmeal, it's like $2 at Walmart. That way you can season it up with what you want to put in there and cut out the salt. Add you some black pepper. Black pepper to your taste. Basically, when you start with your own, frying method, you put in what you want in there. Your oil, your seasoning, how much. Ooh, that's looking good. So I did use the fish fry mix the first time I fried my zucchini because I was frying my catfish nuggets. So I was like, okay, well, let me go ahead on and use the rest of this fish fry Cajun mix up. But then when I ran out of that, I only had some cornmeal left. And I dumped that in the bag and added a little bit more seasoning. And I said, oh, this tastes so much better. Wasn't as salty. It was very light. And like I said, my fried zucchini actually tasted like fried green tomatoes. You're going to see. As I'm frying them right now. I'm going to show y'all again. Ooh, it smells so good. And that extra garlic. Hold on, y'all. I got to show y'all this. Ooh, oh God, that extra garlic. Y'all look. Fried. There it is. Fried zucchini. Tastes like a fried green tomato. Smells so doggone good. Put it back in here. You know what's the good thing about when you cooking your food, when making it your own, you control the seasoning, you control the spices. Like I love everything extremely spicy. The more heat you can give me, hey, I'll take it. You know, but then when you have children eating or other people that just don't want all the spice or spiciness, ooh, that smells so good. Then, you know, you got to cut back on that. Or you got to cook it in 2 different batches. You know, like for me, I cook 1 batch, extra spicy, black pepper, everything else. But then for the one for children, then that one is cooked like a normal ratio. So, yeah. Ooh-wee. Y'all, I hope y'all having a wonderful, blessed day. Y'all, guess what? I had put, I'm going to do a live on this too. My car had stopped on me yesterday. I was out there stranded temporarily, but the Lord sent not 1, not 2. Actually, He sent 3 angels. I didn't tell y'all about that 3rd angel. So by the graciousness of God, God got me back home safely, untouched, unharmed. And then I went out there this morning so I could check on the car, and the car won't crank at all. So I definitely got to get a battery, and I called around for the batteries. Y'all, batteries for my car, $89.99 plus tax. That was the cheapest. But like I told my mom, by the grace of God, I said, Mother, car just gonna have to sit up for a few days. No matter what's going on right now, I said the car is just simply gonna have to sit up a few days until, you know, this can be, you know, figured out. I said, because there's other things that I'm trying to do, which is, one, keep my electricity on. The electricity bill is $57. Now, I'm going to tell you the truth. If somebody today was to bless me with $60, what you think I'm going to do? Put that $60 into a car battery or $60 towards electricity? I would put it towards electricity to keep my lights on. But I didn't say it, you know, like, you know, to my mom like that. Because personally, she don't know about the electricity. But, you know, I was just like, Mom, the car going to have to sit up, you know, a couple of days. I've got my medicine. You know, I'm a diabetic. But that's okay. God already been had that. And, like, I got my medicine. I got everything I need. God got me. You know, I'm good. I'll be all right. And like I said, for me right now would be keeping this electricity on. I would take $60 to keep my electricity on. Got food, praise the Lord, because God does it like that. And anything else would go towards the car battery. And now, since the car won't crank, guess what that means? You got to find somebody to jump the car off. Somebody to get you to, you know, where you need to go, AutoZone, to get the new batteries. So you got to pay them for gas and all that. That's why I'm like, Praise be to God. The car is parked out there. I'm just trying to keep my electricity on. And I said the rest, when and if God say so, then He'll do that on His own terms. So it's all good. And that's what I want to talk to you about, y'all, today. Y'all, this, fried zucchini did not come to play. God is so good because, you know, we can focus on things that, you know, at the time we think will mess our mind up. Ooh, that's good. But then something else, and see, let me tell you, y'all, I got to get through it. I'm going to go sit in the living room and talk to y'all because I got to tell y'all this strategy. And if you're still listening, honey, let me tell you. See, the devil always got a strategy. Hold on, y'all. All right. I'm going to let that sit there. Finish cooking. Give me 1 minute, y'all. I will give you another sneak peek. Fried zucchini. Tastes like a fried green tomato. I'm fixing a cheat and bite one. Let me show you out. Ooh, it's still hot. Fried zucchini. Tastes like a fried green tomato. Let me give me a bite, and then I want to talk to you about something. Oh. Oh, it's hot. That's good. Tastes like a fried green tomato, but it's a fried zucchini. Ooh. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. I'm gonna go ahead and take these other ones out because we. Mm, that's delicious. Fried zucchini. OMG. Mm, 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 mm. Oh Lord. Now woke up my taste buds. This is so healthy. So delicious. Y'all paid $1.45 for these zucchini. It was 4 of them. Look at that. Come on now. I told y'all God be going before, blessing, abundantly blessing. Come on now. Fried zucchini, honey. Oh Lord. Tastes so good. Make sure I got my oven on. Alright. We're gonna go in here and I'm gonna tell y'all some a strategy of the devil so that you know and don't get caught up in it either. Y'all, this fried zucchini, oh Lord, it smells so good. One more look at it. Mmm. Ooh, Lord, fried zucchini. Ooh, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Good God. One more look. Jesus. I'll try to plate it up later on, y'all. Look at that fried zucchini. Come on now. Fried zucchini. Mmm. Ooh, that's so good. Ooh, I'm going to wait and come back and plate it up with some sauce. All right. Let's go in here and talk about these strategies of the enemy. Make sure that's clean. Oh, yeah, that's clean. That's good right there. Okay. Let me put up my zucchini. We're going to go in the living room and talk about some stuff. Let's go in the living room, y'all. I got the news on, and they are talking about the Texas flooding and the people that are missing. But let's go. And you can still donate online to help those affected by the floods. Generous Fox viewers have helped raise $7 million to aid the Central Texas communities with donations to the Kerr County Flood Relief Fund. If you would like to help, just scan that QR code on your screen or visit the Fox local app. City legislators have a lengthy agenda for next week. One item, regulations on THC. Governor Abbott has made it clear that he does not want an outright ban across the state. Lawmakers face the challenge of creating regulations that meet Abbott's more modest requests after he vetoed the first bill. Another topic, redistricting across Texas. Y'all know I'm trying to get this news. Scientists at SMU gave us an idea of what to expect. Y'all We're going to move this around. Because if I'm in here, I'm going to be watching news. Excuse me. Alright, let's go in the room. Let's go into a more intimate setting. Alright, y'all hold on right here. Alright. Okay. I am back. Woo, Lord. Alright, I'm back, y'all. Had to shut everything down up front. I'm gonna wrap this up though, y'all. Wanted to tell you though, don't worry about the schemes of the enemy. You may be going through something already, but then you come into an encounter with something else and something else. But guess what? Just know that God got you. Gone before you, carry, bless you, and stay with you. Yeah, I'm finna go because I gotta take care of something. Don't worry about all that old stuff keep popping up on you. Car stranded. Now, first of all, gotta leave your place. Can't pay the electricity. Gotta leave your place. Car stranded now. Don't worry about it. God got it. I love you. I'll be back to talk to you later, sweet babies. Be blessed.